Hello students, welcome to our next lecture about trigonometric ratios of 90 plus theta in term of theta. We derived some formula in your last class as sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, sec of minus theta equal to sec theta, and one more, cosec of minus theta is minus cosec theta. We also found that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Similarly, we will just write, no need to find or no need to derive any expression about sine 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta. We just knew that the value of sine 90 plus theta is what and cos 90 plus theta is what. See, so you need to note down this, or I can say remember this formula. It will help all of you to know more about trigonometry and help all of you to solve different kind of problem in our second year mathematics, particularly in integration and derivatives. See, your first formula and your heading will be, your heading is trigonometric ratios of 90 plus theta in term of theta. We found what we had found. We found sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is in your last class. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. See carefully here, these two are complementary to each other, these two are complementary to each other. They are also sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta, that will be sec theta. Here you can see here, these two are complementary to each other. These two, tan and cot, are complementary to each other, and also sec and cosec both are complementary to each other. Now we will just write the value of sine 90 plus theta is what. Just there will be a change of sign only, sine 90 plus theta. And one more thing, this is your Cartesian quadrant. Okay, here all sine tan cos, ये हमें जानी सारी चीज़, we know it about this all. Okay, we all know about this, all sine tan cos. So here all ratios are, sine of all ratios are positive. Here sine of just two ratios, which are sine and cosec, only positive, rest are negative. And in the your third quadrant, only tan and cot is positive, rest are negative. And your fourth quadrant here, see, cos and sec is positive, value of cos theta and sec theta in third quadrant is positive, rest are negative. Okay, so here sine 90 plus theta, 90, this one is pi by 2, 0, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, sorry, this is pi, 3 pi by 2, and this is 0 or 2 pi. We can write. We will start with here and end with here. So it will be 0 or here. The point is there, which is 2 pi minus theta. You can say 360 minus theta. We will find these formulas. We will just write the value of sin 90 plus theta is sin theta. Why it is sin theta? No need to derive an expression for this. Okay, we need to just memorize what sin 90 plus theta is sin theta. Okay, it will not come in your exams how it is proved. Okay, now if you remember this formula, it is easy to find answers, find solutions of problem based on these exercise. These problems like your trigonometric ratio and some proofs, find the general solution of trigonometric equation. It will help. Okay, and it will more help in your second year mathematics integration and derivative, particularly on this topic. Okay, see, sin 90 plus theta is sin theta. We can derive expression how it comes, but no necessary here, not required to find this expression. See here, this is 90 degree. Here this point is what? 90 plus theta. I can say 92 degree. This 92 degree this belongs to this quadrant, second quadrant. 92 degree belongs to second quadrant. Why? Because 90 plus 2 degree. Okay, as we add 2 with 90, the whole measurement of angle comes in this quadrant, that is second quadrant. So any angle 90 plus theta will becomes in this, and given that what it will be in between 90. If it's exceed 180, then it will goes to third quadrant. That will decide also. We will decide in next formula. We will write. Okay, sin 90 plus theta is sin theta. Cos 90 plus theta is, see here, as I said, in here, except sin and cosec, all ratios are negative. Okay, as these two are complementary to each other, sin 90 plus theta is just minus cos theta. Okay, why a negative sign before the cos theta is because of the quadrant, as angles 90 plus theta belongs to second quadrant. Here value of cos ratios, cosine angles is negative. That's why cos 90 plus theta is minus cos theta. Just all of you need to memorize this. No need to find an expression. Okay, now 90 plus theta. Okay, this will be minus 10 theta. This will be minus cot theta. Why? See, as we learned here, two complementary angles, the value changes. Okay, tan rota cot hela, cot rota tan hela, it change hobo, but value of this ratio will depend where the angles falls, where the angles belongs. See, tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. Why? Because in second quadrant value of cot theta is negative. Now cot 90 plus theta, cot 90 plus theta, theta will be in between your 0 to 90. If exceed 90, then there will be another formula for that. Cot 90 plus theta is tan theta. No, minus tan theta. Why minus tan theta? Because cot 90 plus anything 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree will falls on this quadrant, and value of cot theta on second quadrant is minus, so minus tan theta. Clear? Thereafter sec 90 plus theta. Sec here only sine and cosec is positive, rest are negative, so this will be minus cosec theta. Cosec 90 plus theta, as you know, all of you know about this, this will be only sec theta. Why? Cosec 90 plus theta here positive. Why? Because sine is positive, reciprocal of sine is cosec, that's why cosec 90 plus theta is positive sec theta. Clear? I repeat again, here we have learned in your last class that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, as we also find an expression for these values, okay? But now no need to find any expressions, just to memorize this, remind this, it will help to solve problems on trigonometry functions. Now we are going to know about trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio of 180 minus theta in term of theta. Okay, here Cartesian quadrant, all sine, tan, cos. This is cos. Okay, here sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. Okay, and we will discuss for this region sine 180 plus sine 180 minus theta will be like this. Here on this point, okay, this is pi, that is 180 degrees, this is pi by 2, this is 0, and this is 2 pi by 2, sorry, 3 pi by 2, and it can be 2 pi, okay, 0 or 2 pi. See, this will be like 179 degree. Okay, for this value, the value of sine 180 minus this theta, the value of sine 179 will be what we will write, that we will decide now. See, sine 180 minus theta is what? Sine 180 minus theta is only sine theta. Why? We will discuss now. काहे के हला ऐसा क्यों हुआ जो ये sin 180 minus theta? See, this is second quadrant, this is first quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. We all know this. Okay, second quadrant is referred to what? Pi by 2 to pi, 90 degree to 180 degree. In between that, value of sin theta is positive, and that is given a thing is sine of 180 minus theta is sin theta. In case of complementary, the signs changes. Sin ta cos hotla, cos ta sin hotla, ratio, name of ratio change, interchanged. But here the ratio is similar to previous one what we will take. Okay, जहाँ हमें नमा सटा का रहबा cos 180 minus theta will be cos theta. Okay, but sin we will decide whether that will be negative or positive. See, here pi by 2 to this value is 0 to 180 degree, in between that. Cos 180 minus theta, any degree, will be minus cos theta. Okay, no need to, I repeat, no need to find expression was for this term, or you can say for this formula. We discussed, we learned how to find this expression. We just need to remember these formulas to solve problems. So tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. Why? Here only sine and cosec is positive, that's why minus tan theta. And this value is, समस्ते ये जानी सारी छ, तुम ये तुम CHSE पिला सब तुम 10th क्लास तुम जानी सारी छ. आम CBSE जहाँ अच्छा से माने किछिटा नहीं जानी थे, इटा जस्ट मेमोराइज करवा है. एज वी हैव नो टाइम, दैट्स व्हाई वी क्विकली स्टडी मोर, एंड वी हैव सेवरल चैप्टर लेफ्ट. वी नीड टू study that, that's why we need to memorize this formula only. Okay, how it comes, that will no matters. And in your previous class I also proved how sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Okay, it will possible to find expression, but not right now, as we don't have any proper time to complete that much course. Okay, so don't mind students, we need to complete your course. Complete means not like that. Okay, see tan 180 minus theta आमे complete करबार मोर किछि हेंता किछि नाही. तुमको सब जिनिस शिखी कर नबाटा सेटा मोर एम है. व्हाई? बिकॉज ट्रायगोनोमेट्री तुम टिके भल से जानी थिबा बोले तुम सेकेंड इयर जेन मैथमेटिक्सटा अच्छे कैलकुलसटा तुम इजिली सॉल्व करि पारबो. सेतली आमे पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट सब फॉर्मूला के देखि देखि जाउछु. ई फॉर्मूला एका आमे आके यूज करबा. ठीक अछि, एतर प्रूफटा तुम क्वेश्चन रे आसे नाही फर्स्ट ईयर. आमर सेल्फ नॉलेज लगी आमे प्रूफ करबा, किंतु एज आमर पाखे जेबे टाइमटा बहुत कम, सेतली आमे फॉर्मूला सब सो रखि देबा. केनता करी टिके टिके सो रखि तले ये आंसर माने आसी जिबा. हला तो देखो एबे cot theta, cot 180 minus theta equal to minus cot theta. Why? Here only sine is positive, only sine and cosec is positive, all rest are negative. And sec 180 minus theta is see minus sec theta. Cosec 180 minus theta is only cosec theta. Clear? These are 6 formulas. Okay, clear? Now now we will know the value of sine 1, the value of trigonometric ratios of 180 plus theta in term of theta. Okay, this we will find. Only sign will be changed. Okay, your quadrant or your angle will be like this. This will be 180 plus theta here. This will goes to third quadrant. Okay, this is 180 plus theta, third quadrant, pi by 2 0, pi 3 pi by 2 or 2 pi. देखो sin 180 plus theta will be third quadrant. Here from this formula only tan and cot is positive, and sin of 180 plus theta is sin theta. No, minus sin theta. Why? because here only tan and cot is positive, rest are negative. Okay, cos 180 plus theta is also minus cos theta. Tan 180 plus theta, here this is positive. Why? This angle will fall in third quadrant. That's why we will do some problem on these questions. Okay, now we just need to memorize this formula. Okay, cot 180 plus theta equal to cot theta, sec 180 plus theta equal to minus sec theta, sec, after that cosec 180 plus theta equal to minus cosec theta. So done. 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are all 6 ratios of 180 plus theta in term of theta. Okay, in term of theta. Now we are going to find expression for next to that 360 minus theta in term of theta. 360 minus theta in term of okay. Here terminal side of co-terminal angle are coincide, hence trigonometric ratio are same. So sine of minus theta is likely same or is same as sine of minus theta. Sine of 360 minus theta is similar to sine minus theta. Why? See, this is your Cartesian quadrant, a angle is there, this is theta, this will be your minus theta. It will actually what? 360 minus theta. If we make an arrow like this and here like this is theta, this will be your minus theta, as it is in this direction, it is in this direction. Minus theta is same as 360 minus theta. We can write 360 minus theta is as minus theta. Okay, see for this figure. So this will be as like as your previous answer. We find expression for this, we derive expression for this formula. Okay, now cos 360 minus theta is this value is minus sin theta, cos minus theta equal to cos theta, one, two, three, 360 minus theta equal to 10 minus theta, that will be minus tan theta. It is already proved, okay, in your previous class. 4 cot 360 minus theta equal to cot minus theta equal to minus cot theta. 5 sec 360 minus theta equal to sec minus theta equal to sec theta. And your last one, cosec 360 minus theta equal to cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec theta. Okay, all these six ratios. Okay, all these you need to memorize. So students, we will read in your next class periodic function, and your homework is that you all need to memorize today and your yesterday or previous class formulas. Only one thing to do is to practice these formula 2 times for all of you, and send me your paperwork to my WhatsApp number personally, or you can share this in our group. Okay, this will be your homework. Your homework is that practice this formula in your previous class and also today class formulas. It is very useful, very important for us to study forward next पढ़िबा ପାଇଁ. Thank you all and hope समस्ते भल रहिबे, healthy रहिबे. Thank you.